Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. How are you all?
Ma'am,
I'm good.
ma'am,
Ma'am, what we will say good afternoon in science?
Good afternoon is, okay, look at the board. You have done all the words till now of good afternoon. What is good? After,
April, born April,
born
Bon
après.
après.
Noon is midi.
born April.
Midi.
Born après midi.
Ma'am, what we have
Bon
to say? Good morning. Good morning in French.
Bonjour. Ma'am, we said bonjour. Bonjour.
Ma'am, bonjour.
Bonjour.
Yes, ma'am, I forgot.
And when you get up in the morning, it's early morning, you want to wish somebody just good morning. Bonjour is like you can wish in any time of the day. But bon mata is the morning time, specifically the morning time. Bon mata.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
And then for the whole
Thank
day,
you, ma'am.
you can wish whether you meet in the morning, evening, night, you wish somebody as bonjour.
Okay, ma'am. And what we have to written?
Ma'am, today I can't keep my camera open because whenever I'm opening it, I'm getting disconnected.
Okay, beta. Now it's legible. Bonjour.
Ma'am, bonjour means
Good day. Good day.
Good day, good day, good day.
Yes. Good morning. Good day. Hello. Okay. Now, in the previous class, what we had done
Ma'am,
the days
ma'am,
of the
we have-
week. Les jours.
Ma'am, we are in yes, previous,
no, ma'am,
in
we
previous
have,
class,
ma'am, we
class
have
to
done. Ma'am, we have done everything in copy the sentences that is given in listen and see.
Ma'am,
And we have changed
we
it in English.
Conversation
Yes,
in
ma'am.
our
Okay. But now what we are supposed to do, we are doing the chapter number 7, that is Quel jour sommes-nous? Isn't it?
yes.
Yes,
Quel
ma'am.
jour sommes-nous? Which means what day is it? What day is it? So for that we have learned the days, all the days, right? What are days called? Jour. We have done jour. Then we have learned different subjects, isn't it?
No, ma'am.
No, we have done what is maths called, French, English. What are these subjects?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We have.
You want me
I
to
have
revise
written-
this part? You want me to revise this part? Or no?
Ma'am, I have written.
Yes, we've done it. Then, now coming on to the third part of this chapter is aller verb. Now, what is aller verb? Aller verb means to go. Till now, we have done two more verbs, that is the être verb and one more verb, avoir verb. Wait, I'll erase it and write it on the top. French language has got three irregular verbs. Which are those three irregular verbs? Those three irregular verbs are, one is être. Être verb means to be. To be. To be means to tell I am, you are, he is, she is, like that. Okay? Am, are, is. That is to be. Then coming on to the next verb which we did last time, that was avoir verb in the last chapter, which means to have. To have. I have, she has, they have, he has, like that. I have a class right now. She has her dance class right now. So we know when to use have and when to use has, right? Similarly, in adverb, we know when to use am and when to use is, when to use are. Now
Yes,
what we are going to learn is, we are going to learn aller verb. Aller verb means to go. Similarly, like this, I go. She goes. We know the difference when to use in English because we've been learning English since beginning. Now when we talk about French, what are these irregular verbs? Irregular verb means when the conjugation of the verb is different with each subject pronoun. Now if I use aller verb, it will be used differently with all my subject pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, and ils, elles. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
okay, ma'am.
We call a verb irregular
ma'am.
when the conjugation is always a new word. Whenever I use with, if aller is used with il and el, it is a new word. It does not depend on any pattern. It is altogether a separate working. So how do I use aller verb? If I want to say I go, what will I write? Je vais. What am I going to write? Je vais. If I want to
Je
say
vais.
you go, what will I write? Tu vas. Don't write it right now in your copies. I'm going to make you write it in a different way. Okay? Let me just explain. Then, if I want to say he goes or she goes, what will I say? Il va or elle va? Only VA. We go. All of us go to watch a movie. Nous allons. Nous allons. ONS. Then,
No,
with vous, you all go. Vous allez. Vous allez. Then with ILS and ELLES, it becomes vont. Ils vont, elles vont. Okay? This is how aller verb
ma'am.
is used. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Now when I say ils vont, elles vont, I know I have to put ILS. I can't write ils vont. That will make it wrong. Why? Because vont will come with plural only. So it has to be ILS. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear.
ma'am.
And
So ma'am, that
IL,
will be
Ma'am, we have to
pronounced
write
as
in the
ill.
notebook.
no, not right now. ILS
So ma'am,
and
this,
IL is pronounced in the similar way. IL and
ma'am, it will,
ILS. Listen, wait.
ma'am, it will not be.
IL and ILS is the same pronunciation. Then how do we come to know the difference when we have to add S and when we don't have to add S? It is through the working of the verb we come to know that which ill we are talking about. If we are talking about singular ill or we are talking about plural ill. Is that correct? It is only through the verb we will come to know. Because singular will say il va, plural will say il vont. Any doubt?
So ma'am, it will not be pronounced as ills.
No, it is never pronounced as ils. Even it is not pronounced as else. It is L and L. Both of them are L only. But how do we come to know? Through the verb. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, clear.
Okay, now I'll erase the board. What you will do is take out your copies, write down today's date, and write down the heading irregular verbs. You have to divide the page also. You might have to divide it. The heading is irregular verbs. Draw 3 lines.
Ma'am, draw.
On the first column, in the first column, the heading will come subject pronouns. I don't have enough space, so I can't write it full. You will write subject pronouns. In the next one, you will write et.
Ma'am, written.
Written. Now what
Yes,
you're going
ma'am.
to write?
Yes, ma'am.
Subject pronouns. In subject pronouns, you're going to write down all the subjects. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, ILS and ELLES. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
learned all these 3 verbs. Including today's class, I can say now today's class onwards, we can say that we have learned these 3 verbs. Now you're going to write all these 3 verbs on your own in your copy. Go to the previous chapter, see how this verb works. I can write it here, but I want you to do this work.
Ma'am, just for a minute, switch off my camera. Only just for a minute.
Okay. Everyone open your camera. Can you hear me? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
Now
ma'am, your
my
voice
friend.
is breaking.
Yes.
Ma'am, your
Ma'am,
voice
it's
is little
clear.
bit breaking.
Ma'am, it's now clear.
Okay. Everyone, all of you have written these 3 verbs or still writing?
Ma'am, on the last.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Click a picture and send on the class group. Let me see.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm sending a.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, sending.
Okay, children, done? Done it, beta? Yes, I want response from all of you because we are going to do something that I'll ask from you and do on the whiteboard. Do on my whiteboard. So I need everyone's attention. My
Ma'am, I got
voice breaking, children?
disconnected.
Is my voice breaking?
Ma'am, I don't know because I got disconnected and I joined now.
Okay. Now see, is my voice breaking?
No, ma'am, it's fine.
It's fine. What, Zehra, Paridhi, Sanya, is my voice fine or it's breaking?
Ma'am, it is fine.
It's fine. Okay. Now, all of you have done the work. Can we start here on the board?
Ma'am, ma'am, I've not done first one.
Ma'am, my Zoom is coming blank.
Your Zoom is, yes, better Zoom is creating a lot of mess these days. It's not responding very well. I think the whole world is working on Zoom, so it is tired now. It can't take up the load of everyone.
Yes.
Just log out and come again. Leave the meeting and rejoin. Maybe then it will be fine. Okay,
Ma'am,
I'll
your
give
voice
you.
is clear now.
Yes. Are you all able to see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanya, Paridhi, are you also able to see the board? Okay, I'll give you a small exercise to do. That exercise
Ma'am, your
is,
photo is coming blur, and when I am touching it, the my zoom is your photo is also not coming.
my photo is not coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, I'll
And
click
now
a
it
picture.
came.
Listen. I'll write something on the board. I'll click the picture and send on the class group, WhatsApp group. You will do this exercise from there. Okay, if you're
Okay,
not able
ma'am.
to do it from here, do it from there. Click pictures of your copy and then of your work and then send it on the class group. Okay, all you have to do is using these three verbs. It's a simple exercise. You have to write them in French. Like the first one, she goes. How will we write it in French? Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please tell what we will write for vous itre?
Vous êtes. For vous êtes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see. Être verb. What is this être verb? Être verb is to be. Right? And
Yes,
être
ma'am.
verb, how is it conjugated with vous? We write it as ETES. Okay? Vous êtes. Vous êtes means you are. Et means are and vous means all of you. Plural you. Vous êtes means you are. Children, you can check the class group. I have sent this little exercise over there. Hurry up, do it and
Yes, ma'am.
post your work on the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got disconnected. Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Ma'am, I have done.
Beta, have you sent it?
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes, ma'am, I have sent.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, that in the subject pronoun column 1,
Hmm. Yes. What in column 1?
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay. Let me check. Very nice, Beta. All correct. Everyone has done. Beta, do it. Then we'll do one more concept today.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, I got disconnected.
Okay, Zahra Ali has also sent. Zahra, what about they are? Now, what is are?
Ma'am,
Are,
they are.
yes.
Ma'am, is. Ma'am,
Yes.
ill.
What is are verb? That means which verb is
Ma'am,
it?
on.
It's
Ma'am,
eth
it.
verb. Then they are. Now, how do we conjugate ILS with eth? What does eth become? It becomes SONT. Ilson, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So Kibla and Zehra have sent their work. Sanya and Paridhi are left. Sanya and Paridhi, are you still doing? Sanya and Paridhi not replying.
Ma'am, just send.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm sending. Wait.
Ma'am, we will not do second exercise.
Which second exercise?
Ma'am, you said that we will do one more.
One more concept. But now, beta, only 2 minutes are left. I don't think we'll be able to do it. Have you sent your work?
Yes, ma'am, you also
No.
said.
Only Zehra and Kibla have only sent. I'm waiting for Sanya and Paridhi, and by the time you'll send, the class will get over, beta. Not much time is left because this concept is going to take a little time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so hurry up and send this work. I think we should end this here only because after this we'll not be able to do anything else. If you have any doubt or anything, you can ask me. Very nice, Sanya. All correct.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay, what if I write on the board? Who can just quickly answer this question? What is this? Tell me in English. How do you translate it?
They are.
No. Yes, come on, all of you, hurry up. Open your cameras.
Ma'am, I can't open it.
Okay. Paridhi is not replying. I don't
Ma'am, maybe they go.
know. Yes, they
They
go.
go.
They go is correct. Okay, next one.
We are.
Very
We are.
good. We are correct. Then
I am going.
very good. I am going or I go. Very nice. Okay, then the next one.
You are.
You are. Very good.
He has.
He has. Wonderful, beta. Wonderful.
I have.
I
I
have.
have. Sanya, you're too quick, huh?
I have.
We go.
We go. Very good. Okay. One
We
more thing.
go.
Let me see if any of you can catch it.
Ma'am, you.
You It's wrong. It's nothing. Because it should be goes away. I purposely wrote it wrong.